In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game GTA San Andreas on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game. So what we will do is we will go to Steam and click on the link. After that, type in San Andreas. Now we will click on this, and as you can see, this is a game package. So what it means is basically that you will receive 3 games: Grand Theft Auto 3, Grand Theft Auto Vice City and Grand Theft Auto San Andreas for just €59.99. So you will receive 3 games, add it to your cart, and once you have done that, you can view my cart and continue to the payment to finish the payment. Once you have done that, these 3 games will be downloaded to your account on Steam. And this is how you download Grand Theft Auto San Andreas on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!